Glory English Language Academy ကနေပြန်လည်ကြိုဆိုလိုက်ပါတယ်အခုဗီဒီယိုလေးမှာ famous people တွေရဲ့အတိတ်အကြောင်းကိုနားထောင်ကြအောင် Look at the photos. Who are these people? They are A. Oprah Winfrey, B. Taylor Swift, C. Quentin Tarantino, D. Michelle Yeoh, E. Benedict Cumberbatch, F. Lionel Messi. What do you know about them? Okay, here is that exercise. Walk in pairs and read the information about the people. For each person, take 2 pieces of true information and put across by the false information. ပုံထဲက famous people တွေရဲ့ information ကိုဖတ်ပြီးတော့မှန်တယ်ဆိုလို့ရှိရင် tick မှားတယ်ဆိုလို့ရှိရင် cross ရေးပေးရမယ် Let's listen.
Unit 6. The Past. Recording 1. 1.
Is Lionel Messi the best footballer in the world? A lot of people think so. Messi was born in Argentina. At school, he was a very good student, but there was a problem. He was very small. Doctors in Spain helped him, and now he lives in Spain and plays football for Barcelona. Interesting fact, he always plays with his hair wet.
2.
Oprah Winfrey's life is amazing. She was born in 1954 in Mississippi, in the US. Oprah's parents were very poor, but at the age of 32, she was a millionaire from her radio and TV shows. She is also famous for her book club and her work with poor girls. Interesting fact, Oprah hates chewing gum.
3.
Benedict Cumberbatch is an English actor, famous for Sherlock on the BBC, and also many films, including The Hobbit and Star Trek. At school, his hobbies were acting, sport, and painting. He is very popular in China and Korea. Interesting facts. He rides a motorbike around London. He was an English teacher for a year before he was an actor.
Let's continue.
4.
Taylor Swift is an American singer-songwriter. She was born in 1989 and her childhood was on a Christmas tree farm. Her first hobbies were horse riding and singing. She was a songwriter from the age of 5 and her first #1 song was Our Song when she was 18 years old. Her songs are about her life and loves. Interesting facts, her grandmother was an opera singer and her favourite number is 13.
5.
Actress Michelle Yeoh was born in Malaysia. She was a dancer before she was an actress. As an actress, she was first famous in the West for her role in the James Bond film Tomorrow Never Dies. But Yeoh's first films weren't American. They were from Hong Kong. Interesting fact, she was the winner of the Miss Malaysia Beauty Contest in 1983.
6.
Quentin Tarantino is a director, actor, and producer and writer of movies such as Pulp Fiction and the Kill Bill films. His movies often have a lot of violence, but Tarantino says he hates violence. He plans to stop making movies at age 60 and write books instead. Interesting fact, his mother was part Irish and part Cherokee Indian.
ဒီနေ့သင်ခန်းစာလေးကတော့ဒီလောက်ပါပဲ Lesson 6.2 မှာပြန်ဆောင်ရအောင်အားလုံးကိုကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်ရှင်